Hi, I'm Dorothy Bulick Erickson of Syzygy Designs, and I'm here to show you how to use the button system that you've installed into your Alien Emissary shawl. I created this button system with this shawl because don't you hate it when you're wearing a shawl and the tails just have a mind of their own and they're always getting undone? Well, the beauty of the shawl with its multi-intentional holes and the two pairs of buttons is that they can work in concert to wrangle those ends. So by now you've knitted your Alien Emissary shawl, put the buttons in, and you're a little flummoxed about exactly how to put the shawl on. So first let's talk about the buttons. The buttons are put close together because that's what secures them. The holes are too big in this shawl for one button, it would just come right out. So what locks the buttons in place is that they're even they can be slightly overlapping, is that I can show you here. The buttons, like so, are gonna attach and lock in that strut between the holes. That's what's gonna connect them. So, like this end is actually, the buttons may be able to be seen. So it's put on the public side. Ironically, this end of the shawl is probably not gonna be seen, but your buttons may be seen. And you know, I've always wanted an excuse when I go to the yarn store, you'd see those really pretty buttons, big buttons, and now's your opportunity to buy them. But the second set is clandestine, and I've always loved to use the word clandestine because I always use clandestine techniques when I was doing superhero suits for Marvel and DC. So they're not going to be seen. So you can use the same buttons here. I use the same buttons, or you can use a more pedestrian one. Look at this one, has just these plastic ones, which are less expensive because those big buttons can be very expensive. So with putting this on, there's no hardened ironclad rule of how to do this. It's just two things. You need a mirror to put this on. And you need to adjust as you go. Adjusting is the name of the game here. So first I'm going to demonstrate with my shallow shawl here. So I'm going to start with the pointy end, and I'm just going to let it drape. I don't know where, let's just put it like that. If you try to preload it, it's going to influence the drape of this, and you're going to undo it anyway. So just let it drape, and now let's forget about it. So then I'm going to decide, how do I want to wear this? I think, okay, I'm going to wear this so that's more like a scarf, and it's all going to be in the front. So I'm going to let that go, see, like that. Like that, maybe I'll see, I can have it go like this, but it's probably just gonna end up being here anyway. So I'm gonna let that go, see there. Okay, and you could use your phone to do this too. And now I'm gonna find two holes and lock it in place like that. Looks pretty good. All right, it's all about this cowling right here too, huh? Okay, great, you could actually wear it like this, would be fine, but now's the time you deal with this, and it's really all about letting it be quiet and be where it wants to go. So now I'm gonna figure out where to attach this. Now, having said that, they're on the public side, look, they're not showing, so it doesn't matter. So there you go. That looks great.